Here's another motivational story. Underscore the unstoppable runner underscore. Once, a young girl named Ava suffered a severe injury that left her unable to walk. Doctors said she'd never run again. Ava refused to give up. She underwent rigorous therapy, learning to walk, then jog, and eventually run. One day, Ava participated in a marathon. As she crossed the finish line, exhausted but triumphant, she realized: 1. Limits are self-imposed. 2. Determination conquers adversity. 3. Every step forward matters. Inspired, Ava continued pushing boundaries. She completed ultramarathons. She inspired others with her resilience. She proved that with grit, anything is possible. Years later, Ava became a renowned athlete, motivating millions. You are unstoppable. Break your limits. Believe in yourself. Take small steps. Overcome obstacles. Run your own race, and inspire others to do the same. Would you like another motivational story?